Good evening, everyone. Welcome to BCI's Evening Market Outlook, where we dive deeper into the fundamentals that are shaping the markets. First up, gold. Gold rallied for a third straight session last week, climbing nearly 1% to 355, its highest since late June. Silver jumped even more sharply, up over 3.5%, a level that has not been seen since 2011. The gains came as safe haven demand surged after Trump announced more tariffs. Trade tensions are once again front and center. The US confirmed a 30% tariff on imports from Mexico and the EU. Mexico called it unfair and has opened anti-dumping investigations. The EU delayed its response until August and is coordinating with other affected countries. Reports suggest that refined copper will also face a 50% tariff. Trump hinted a possible talks with the Brazil, and negotiations are underway with India. At the Fed, new tariff threats may delay interest rate cuts, according to the Fed member Austin. Meanwhile, the central bank is still under fire over ballooning renovation cost, which some say challenge its independence. There's also growing speculation over a shadow chair influencing future decisions, though actual policy is still determined by FOMC votes. On the geopolitical front, Iran says it's weighing options for US nuclear talks. A rumored Russian proposal for a zero enrichment deal was quickly denied by Tehran and dismissed by Moscow as fake news. In Gaza, ceasefire negotiations are breaking down, with Hamas accused of stalling the process. Gold remains supported by global uncertainty and growing demand for safe haven assets. The market is still in a strong uptrend, potentially aiming for 3,500 and beyond. Oil markets received mixed signals last week. OPEC is boosting production on solid fundamentals, while EIA projects a surplus into 2025. The IEA slashed demand forecast to their lowest level since 2009, excluding pandemic years. Despite seasonal strength, long-term oil prices face pressure from oversupply, sluggish demand. OPEC may raise output again in September, but deeper cuts will likely stay in place through 2026. Lastly, the US dollar edged higher. Analysts suggest the staggered salami-sliced rollout of tariff news helped markets digest the impact more smoothly than April's all-at-once shock. Still, if Trump sticks to August 1 deadline without retreating, we could see markets we could see a sharp market move. That's sort of all for today's evening market outlook. As always, manage your risk and happy trading.